Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're doing the Gemini Cancer Cusp of Magic. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving out there. I know I'm pretty full from all the festivities. It was a good time. Back to popular demands, we're doing the cusp videos, and we're also doing the dark side on the Gemini Cancer. Isolated, selfish, and demanding, it's saying over here. Okay, so that's a little dark side information. All the reads are for love, soulmates, twin flames. Please like and subscribe below. Share, donate, comment. Press the red subscribe button below. It's free. Thanks for all the donations out there. We love all the Gemini Cancers out there. Our favorite cross watchers, someone you like is a Gemini or a Cancer. This is for like-minded people connecting. I meditated and prayed on the cards. The moon is in Sagittarius. Okay, here's the first card. The Tower. A beautiful castle stands in an ice field. Once strong and sturdy, powerful, it is now burning ashes on one side. A dragon symbolizing destruction can be seen laughing among the flames. The other side remains firm and strong, affected by the attack but not destroyed by it. Like the Nordic warriors whose legacies were often defined by lightning dragons, either mark their heroes if they were victorious or costing them their lives if they weren't. The tower symbolizes the breaking and rebuilding of your character. My foundations are strong. A card of fate and forces beyond our control. The tower symbolizes a dramatic and unforeseen turn of events. Change and upheave are likely now as a fragile foundation of a situation in love, work, or finances collapse. The card can indicate the loss of a job, end of a relationship, or closure of a business. However, like the Nordic gods who believe the world would end during a final battle before a new one would emerge, it signifies that you too can and will rise from these difficulties, happier, wiser, and stronger than ever. It was believed an evil dragon lurked at the bottom of the tree of life, savagely feasting on its roots. So that's what that's all about. The next one, the Star. A young woman stands in a deserted ice field, looks up at the northern lights. Mesmerized by the bright colors, she reaches her hand toward the starlight sky. Her spirit animal, majestic stag, symbolizes strength, watches over her from afar. Protected by her guides and empowered by her faith, she is exactly where she's meant to be. The star symbolizes her wishes and dreams glisten brightly above her. My wishes and dreams have come true. The star brings calm after chaos and light after darkness. Symbolized with hope and healing, it often appears following a period of sadness and marks the start of a brighter time in your life. Miracles will appear, whether They're needed from an amazing new job offer to reconciliation with ex-partners. Finances will also flourish, while any rocky patches between partners will be done and dusted. Those in creative fields such as art or music will be given their chance to shine, and this card can also predict a future career in healing. According to the old Finnish myth, the Northern Lights were created by a little firefox who ran so quickly across the snow that his tail caused sparks. Very interesting. Alrighty. The Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles is a card of patience, commitment, and planning. The seeds for success have been planted. Now's the time. The water roots wait for them to blossom. Slow and steady progress rather than instant results should be expected in love, work, and finance. Planning, budgeting, forward thinking are essential. Investments may leap amazing rewards in the future. A promotion, dream home, or committed relationship could also be on the horizon, but might take longer than expected to materialize. Be patient. It'll be worth the wait. It's going to be worth the wait with this one. Okay. Ten of Cups. A card of happiness, harmony, domestic bliss. The Ten of Cups symbolizes the fairy tale ending and happily ever after of our favorite movies and childhood dreams. Symbolizes happy family. It can predict an engagement, pregnancy, or new home for couples, and those looking for love could meet their Prince Charming. Happy occasions such as weddings, christenings, and family reunions could bring you and your loved ones closer together, while any animosity between you and those you love will soon be forgotten too. So things are looking good with this. Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords symbolizes anything from co-workers stealing your ideas or taking credit for your work to a needy friend or family member who constantly robs your energy and time. It encourages you to trust your instincts when it comes to others, as there could be a snake around you. Shady behavior from bosses and co-workers can be expected, and a secret shared with a friend may be exposed to. A meddling family member or busybody could test your patience, and a friend or partner's honesty might be questioned as well. So some other things going on with this one. Alrighty. Clarity of belief. Great potential is around you to define who you really are at this time in your life, and to determine what your beliefs are regarding love and commitment. Disregard any outdated ideas about how a relationship should function and what the proper role should be. Decide what you need and what you're willing to give. Different relationships will require different strategies for success. You need to be flexible and open-minded. Bring a breath of fresh air to your way of thinking about love and partnership. Okay. Looking good. When you have gained clarity, gentle communication, this to other people with whom you're in relationships, explain how you would like to see the relationship change or grow. Exchange ideas on how each of you might alter your behavior to make this happen. Act upon your new insight and transform your relationship. So things are looking good. Here's to the Oracle deck. Successful funding. Your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from turning it into reality. Crowdfunding and partnership and other investments are available to help you. Alrighty now. That concludes the Gemini Cancer video for tonight. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for all the donations out there. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, and looking forward to more videos and seeing you in the next one. Thanks a lot.